Time zones. As the world moves to remote work, you are bound to be having a meeting across several time zones. And when you live in extreme geographic locations or you work with clients all over the world, for example, Australia versus the USA, then the time zone thing can be quite tricky. So how do we manage this? Well, I have a few simple strategies for you. My name is Lindsay from Smartify My Biz, and this is your tech tip this week. The first one starts right over in Google Calendar. You come over here to your settings menu and you set up what we call the world clock. So the world clock, you come over here and you can click show world clock and you can add all of the time zones you need to see, all of the different places my team is or where my clients are. And what that looks like over here is your time clock shows up here. So anytime I want to schedule a meeting, I can click that time. So if it's 5 a.m. in Sydney, I can see it's 3 p.m. in New York, it's 3 a.m. in the Philippines, or it's 12 o'clock in LA. The other great feature of Google Calendar is the sidebar over here. You can pick 2 different time zones and have them always show. So I can always see what time it is in the USA on Eastern time versus what time it is here in Sydney. This has been really, really great whenever I am scheduling meetings with colleagues or clients over in the USA. To set that again, you come over to settings and you can just add your secondary time zone right here. And then you can always swap them around. So that's the first tip. Another favorite of mine is called the Time and Date Meeting Planner. For this one, I highly recommend what you do is bookmark this. I'll put a link below so you can bookmark this for future. So what you do is you come over here and you can pick the day that you want to meet as well as all the cities you want to meet. So if I want to figure out if I can meet somebody here and maybe in Los Angeles, I just show timetable and it shows me all of the times that all of us can meet. It's been really, really good when we work in really strange time zones in multiple different countries. So again, there'll be a link below to this particular time and date planner, and I highly recommend bookmarking it. If you're using Momentum Dash, which we went over last week, you could also upgrade to their Plus version, which shows multiple time zones as well. You can do that over here with world clocks. And then finally, my last tip is use the clocks on your iPhone or your Android. The world clock on your phone is great. I have 10 different time zones on there, and anytime I need to schedule a meeting or figure out what time it is, I either ask Siri or I just look at my phone with those multiple time zones. Now, I have links below to every tool we talked about in this video. I hope you liked this, and I hope it gave you a bit more insight how you can easily use these tools to manage your time better and plan meetings across time zones. So if you like this video, please like it, leave a comment, or share it with your friends. And if you care to follow along, make sure to hit that subscribe button up there so you can be notified every time we release new videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.